Wildcats, and welcome to Wednesday, January 27th, 2021. Today I have two pledgers from Mrs. Martinez's classroom, and their names are
Eduardo, Gustavo.
If you could please stand, place your hand over your heart, and join Eduardo and Gustavo as we say our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, and with liberty and justice for all.
And now the Texas Pledge.
I love a Texas flag. I want to the Texas, one state, America, indivisible.
Y ahora la bandera de los Estados Unidos. Juro lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América y a la república que representa una nación visible con libertad y justicia para todos. Y a la bandera de Texas.
Honor la bandera de Texas. Prometo para ti. Texas, un Dios,
Would you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe. You have the right to feel loved, and you have the right to feel respected. This means on the bus, at school, and at home. If at any point you do not feel safe, loved, or respected, please find an adult in your life, your coach, your nurse, your counselor, your teacher, your principals, or any other trusted adult, and let them know how you feel. Sometimes just talking about your problems can help you have a better day. All right, we still have no birthdays, so happy unbirthday to you. We do have a couple of announcements. Friday is a teacher workday where students will work asynchronously. So what that means is that teachers will still come into the building and they will do trainings. Students will stay at home and you will have assignments that you will work on your little home Chromebooks, okay? You still have work to do, but you do not have to have like a Google Meet where you see the teacher. You're just going to complete your assignments and you're going to work at home by yourselves on Friday. All right, we ask you that you keep coming to school with your great attitudes. You are all doing a great job. Please continue to wear your mask, to social distance, and to wash your hands often. The character education themes for the month of January are perseverance and courage. Eleanor Roosevelt, the former First Lady, stated, "Courage is more exhilarating than fear, and in the long run, it is easier. We do not have time to become heroes overnight. Just a step at a time, meeting each thing that comes up, seeing it not as dreadful as it appeared, discovering we have the strength to stare it down. Take it one step at a time and face each hurdle with courage and perseverance." All right, Wildcats, just something to think about. This is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours, and we hope that you choose to make today a wonderful and whimsical Wednesday.